If you're facing connection issues with your Cash App, then in this video, let's address them head on. No time to waste, let's dive in. First things first, ensure you're hooked up to the internet. I mean, that's pretty crucial, right? So check your Wi-Fi or mobile data and make sure the signals are strong. Next step is to give your device a little check-up. Make sure that there's enough storage or memory available on your device. We all know how smartphones can get a bit grumpy when they're low on space, right? Now, for our next step, this is for those racking a VPN. Consider giving it a break for a moment. Sometimes turning it off can magically solve those connection hiccups. You may also want to give the classic lag out lag in move a try. Now, if the problem keeps bothering you, then try deleting your Cash App and giving it a fresh start. Uninstall it, then reinstall it. It's like you're giving your app a quick refresh. And if you're still having issues after trying everything, no need to stress, just contact Cash App support. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.